All right, traders, check this out. Really interesting stuff. We have right now the escalating situation on the Euro Canadian. And you know, we haven't been here for quite some time, right? Last time we were here was actually 8 days ago. Now, you know, we established a bearish position according to a very compelling technical situation coming from the, the higher chart, the higher time frame, the big picture. And guys, you can actually see why we haven't been here in the last few days. Price was very, very violent here, very volatile. You can see what a mess we had here over the last 10 days or so. That's what we call chaos, right? And it was so deceptive because, and you know, we usually keep reminding ourselves that the daily chart is very noisy and it could be very deceptive. This is a classic deceptive move, guys. This whole period of time when you can see that price has just zero respect to either one of these key levels. We're talking about 48.06. We're talking about the mighty key level at 47.59. The same, you already know, familiar with these key levels because they're the same, right? We're following on this one for a long time now. Nothing have changed with regards to the key levels themselves. Talking about 47.41, right? So price had no respect, just keep crossing back and forth over these key levels. But you know, when we were going to filter out that excess noise coming from the daily chart, it was as clear as as you can possibly ask for. That price was having enormous respect for that 48.06 top resistance level. We've seen these amazing shadows that were forming one right after the other, right? 3 consecutive weeks, actually 4 if you count this week, which is it's just like music to my ears at this point, right? Because price had actually started on the upside this week. Just think about it. The 4th consecutive week, it started on the upside, right? It was so stubborn. But I guess the 48.06 was even more stubborn in its resistancy. And it just pushed back on price in such a lovely fashion. Now you can see the results. Price is basically, it's just dropping like stone right now. Now let me take you, so I'm going to take you back. I want to take you to the big picture, right? The big picture coming from the monthly chart, guys. This is remarkable because when we were here somewhere, like 2 weeks ago, and that's slightly, that started as a small spike starting to form here, starting to appear. And I was basically starting to contemplate on the idea that since we have so much time to the end of the month, price could easily drop all the way back and close the month below 47.59. Like I said, that's the mighty key level. And the reason is because we've noticed what it done last month. We've noticed that powerful breakdown. And we thought that this was a genuine one, sealed with a monthly close. So there you go, right? We're getting closer now to the end of the month. And you can see the plot that's being played out here by price action, leaving this spectacular spike over that 47.59. What a powerful indication that we are on the downside. No doubt about that. We're on the downside. This is a strong vote of confidence in our bearish conviction, guys. Now let me take you to the short-term cycle, right? The short-term cycle, guys, is about to hit a milestone. So we're talking about 46.69. We've actually built up a decent sized position here. We just kept throwing more and more trades into, as long as price remained below 48, right? And every time price spiked that key level and came back, we just kept throwing more trades in. So right now we're running with a big size position, but here's the deal. At 46.69 here, there's a local support. We're actually gonna take out 60% of our position. So 3 trades are out at that 46.69. Obviously, they're gonna be the first trade, the higher trade that's gonna yield the most profit, right? So 46.69 That's going to be our first price target for this particular bearish campaign. But guys, the final destination is very ambitious. We're talking about 43.92, so there's a long way to go. And hopefully this journey will end right there at our final destination price target, 43.92. Guys, the stop loss level is at 49.50. We are going to adjust the stop loss level by 50 pip, probably by the end of the day, and place it at 49. That's about that for the Euro Canadian. That's about that for today. Have a nice trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow.